So a few months ago, I did a review on this. I got this back in September, or December. I don't know why I'm thinking September. I got it in December. And it's a Seagull S6 original. And you can get these for $500 or less. I think it was the prices on these. It has a solid top, which is cedar. And it has cherry laminate back and sides. It has a maple neck too. So it has a tusk nut and a tusk bridge also. Plastic pins. And it actually has wider string spacing for, good for finger picking and stuff like that. And it has a skinny headstock for a reason, and that's to keep the strings straighter from here instead of going out, because that helps stay in tune more. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The sound of the bass on these guitars is really good. To find a guitar for this quality for under $500 and made in Canada is like a feat of engineering, if you ask me. It also has a rosewood bridge. I forgot to mention that too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to do a little bit better review now that I've owned it for a few months. Not that this was a real good review or anything, but and my camera is not real good. I don't have a good mic or anything to pick it up, so yeah, that's pretty much it.